because it's the Mississippi on this part of the map. If you get low into Africa, then it turns into what they call now the Nile River. All connected. All right? All connected. So Tupac Amaru went to war with the Spanish, and he was trying to basically defend the empire. But they were able to get him by, they captured his brothers first. They captured a bunch of people in the tribe. And then it was just left with him and his wife and a few more individuals. But his wife was pregnant. So they was able to catch up with them. You feel me? And they convinced him that they wasn't going to kill him. And he turned himself in. You feel me? Wife, they captured his wife. They captured him. And then they killed him. Same way they did Osceola, leader of the Seminoles. See what I'm saying? Nigga like me just would have fought right there. Shit, we gonna just shit. Ain't no need in going with you niggas. Get fuck who got caught. Cause that's how they put up on, man. We caught most of your tribes. So you might as well come along. Well, nigga, shit, nigga, you have to take a body back today. Cause there ain't no need of me just going back free will with y'all. I know what y'all on when we get there, nigga. As soon as we get right there, we've been fighting y'all ass for years. Y'all want all our land. We ain't want to give it to y'all. The Incas killed a lot of them, man. It wasn't easy. The Inca Empire was so huge. All those pyramids that they had, still over there. All throughout South America. Like I say, the Amazon rainforest, man. And all down in Venezuela. Man, Venezuela was his whole continent under Venezuela. That's a whole nother live, though. Present-day Venezuela, it's a whole nother continent under there. Well, it was us, and they slaughtered us, and we lost in these, what? They knew exactly how to get us. They had all the tablets. They had all the help. The Moors helped them all the way through. The Moors helped them conquer us. They put the Moors under spells originally, and they never, when they turned the Moors against us and put them on these spells, remember, the Moors was the ones that told them the secrets. Feel me? All right. It was the Moors, and there was these fallen angels. Well, not fallen angels, but they fallen angels now. Most of them converted over with Satan, bitch ass. But in the beginning, remember, we assigned the Moors to help the human beings evolve, to get back to a sort of a God state. They could never be at our God rate, but we could get them the best in our image, which we did that. They got rid of the tails and all that shit for them. Now only a fourth of them still grow tails. All of them used to grow tails. All of them used to come out face full of, you know what I'm saying, like a straight Ewok. Because of the genetics. We changed all that. But remember, the overseers, who they call the watchers, were these other advanced gods and goddesses. Well, gods. And this was just their role. Remember, we got a community. So, okay, look, we're going to assign a few guys to watch over them niggas. Look, y'all watch over them. Because the Moors is training them now. Y'all watch over the Moors to make sure that they training them. It was like that. No different than a business owner. He hires the manager. The manager role is to watch over your ass to make sure you get the goddamn job done, right? That's where they get that from, us. We assign these watchers. Remember I told you, these watchers, they started having sex. They tell you about them in the Bible. They started having sex. These was black gods. Started having sex with these white women, these human being women. And started teaching them all of the different spells and enchantments that we had that they wasn't supposed to taught them. And they took the shit back. They took it back to the white man, to their species. And they used that, them and the Pleiadians, they gave it to the Pleiadians, and they used that to put the Moors under spells. Once they got the Moors under the spell, think about Avengers, the first one. Remember when Loki was putting motherfucker under the spell? Yeah, motherfucker eyes turned blue. Now they was on Loki's side, fighting the Avengers. Y'all remember that? If you don't, go back and watch the very first Avengers. You know what I'm saying? Loki had, I forgot his name with the arrow on Avengers. My boy too, man. I'm bogus as hell. But he on Avengers. He got the arrow. All right? Loki put him under the spell, and he was doing Loki work. We seen in Thor and the Hulk, when the Hulk got under the spell, he was trying to whoop Thor ass. Right? That is about originally how they did us. Like, they put the Moors under them same type of spell. So that's why the Moors was with them through all the wars of conquering us. That's another way they was winning. Because they had our ass helping them against us. And then once they won all the wars and got all the land, then they went over and they started building up Europe. And they used the Moors to do that. The Moors started building up all the cathedrals and all of that shit. The Moors started making the timelines for them and all that shit. They was under spells. They built the whole Europe up for them. You can read on that too. Probably do a lecture on the Moors. And the Moors had all this ancient knowledge. That's why if you go read Noble Drew Ali, he'll give you a lot of drop because all this was still our knowledge. But then, guess what? Once they made the timeline for them, that's why 1492 started. And then you see all the way to like 1776, the Moors was under spells. Nigga, they snapped out, even in 1776, they helped write the Declaration of Independence. It was Moors there in Philadelphia. They helped come up with the preamble. They wrote all the preamble, the Constitution, the articles. They came up with all, it was black guys that came up with that shit, man. The Moors did all that. They were under spells. And then once they broke the motherfucking spells, they went to war with them in Europe and they lost. Go read about it. Matter of fact, I'll do a lecture on it, so you ain't got to go read about it. I'll add it tonight after we get off this one. But the Moors, once they snapped out of their spell, boy, they went to war with their ass. You should ask yourself. They was over there helping them. They just went to start going to war. They said, think about it. The Moors was helping them, and out of nowhere, they started killing the Moors in Europe. That war is well documented. But this is why. This is an ancient thing that was going on. So when they was coming around against the Incas, this is before they started really building Europe all the way. They was in the process of that. They still had the Moors with them, using all type of magic. It was a whole magical war going on. Because you got to remember, the Incas was well in tune with the cosmos and the portals and vortexes and energy and the use of the forest. And like I say, the Amazonian rainforest big as hell. The Amazon rainforest big as hell. They done burned most of it down trying to get to the secrets that's buried deep in there. But the Amazons, the Amazonian warriors, they did it like the back of their hand. And if it wasn't for the Moors, they wouldn't have fucked with them. That's a tribe full of Wonder Womans. And they was all giants. They were still in the giant posture. That's why they were used as the warriors of the kingdom of the Incas. Because they, although we fell in frequency, these certain goddesses never did. They was still in tune with certain herbs and berries that kept them at the highest vibration to where they still maintained their size. They were giants. The Amazonian warriors, they stood 20 feet and up. And we were way bigger than that. Remember, at our highest, people was 50 to 100 feet and up. So as the frequency dropped, we got shorter and smaller and smaller and smaller. But they still stood 20 feet around that time, like them avatars on Pandora. They was huge. That's why when you see a tall goddess, oh, she an Amazon. Then they'll tell you, the Amazon, they was only 6 feet. Man, they was way bigger than that. Warrior goddesses, beautiful, strong, fully in think of Wonder Woman. They was doing all that shit. They wasn't nothing to play with. But you had the Moors helping them. Had the Moors giving them intel. They had the low. Just like today. You go to war with a motherfucker. If you got a motherfucker from that block, when gangs go to war, say the Bloods going to war with the Crips. If the Bloods trying to go to the Crips hood and they got a nigga that's on their side, that's on that block that know the Crips block, they gonna have an advantage over the Crips. Because it's a nigga on the inside that know that neighborhood. If the United States of America, they trying to go to war with Nigeria, and they got motherfuckers from Nigeria on they arm in the USA that know Nigeria, they're gonna have an advantage. That's what they do anyway. They pay motherfuckers from the bribe, motherfucker. They gonna have an advantage, okay? So that's what they was doing with the Moors from jump. And Tupac AMARU, he was holding it down the gangster way. Even when all the magic ran out, they was still fucking them up, man. They killed millions of them motherfuckers. Because they was already cloning themselves. They killed Tupac. Look, the Tupac AMARU wasn't no joke. They despised him more than Nat Turner. He wasn't no joke, man. The Incas wasn't no joke. That's why I don't like to talk about them or none of that. You talk about advanced states where we all was tapping into this higher sources of magic and energy. They knew how to channel that sun's energy. Hear me? Literally, like they'll pull plasma out the sun, was fucking them up. Plasma coming out the sun in all type of formations. Fireball shape, plasma, lightning bolt shape. They pulling plasma out the ground. using the source of the trees because they still had all the herbs and the roots. So when you think of Groot,
peace to the gods and goddesses of planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibration human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click, the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media. Use the hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.